Stop throwing away your banana peels. What if I told you that the secret to explosive tomato and pepper harvests is hiding right in your kitchen trash? Yes, that simple peel you toss out every day could be the missing ingredient your garden has been waiting for. Welcome to the Garden Sage, where we uncover nature's hidden secrets and turn everyday waste into powerful tools for growth. In today's video, I'll show you how banana peels can transform weak plants into thriving, fruit-loaded vines without spending a single extra dollar. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only save money and reduce waste, but you'll also unlock a gardener's trick that generations have quietly relied on. And if you love discovering simple, eco-friendly hacks that make gardening easier and more rewarding, hit that subscribe button and join the Garden Sage community, where every peel, every seed, and every story grows into something bigger. Banana peels are more than kitchen scraps. They're nutrient-rich boosters packed with potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium. These minerals are exactly what tomatoes and peppers need to thrive. Potassium fuels flowering and fruiting, phosphorus strengthens root systems, calcium prevents blossom end rot, and magnesium supports healthy leaves. Instead of tossing peels into the trash, you can recycle them into your garden's secret weapon. Imagine turning everyday waste into a natural fertilizer that costs nothing and reduces landfill waste. This isn't hype. It's a simple, eco-friendly practice gardeners have used for generations. Pattern interrupt. Did you know the peel from just one banana can provide enough potassium to boost a tomato plant's flowering cycle? One of the easiest ways to use banana peels is by making banana peel tea. Chop the peels, soak them in water for 48 hours, and strain the liquid. This nutrient-rich solution can be poured directly around your tomato and pepper plants. Gardeners often call it liquid gold because of the visible difference in flowering and fruit set. Unlike chemical fertilizers, banana peel tea is gentle, safe, and eco-friendly. It slowly releases nutrients, ensuring plants absorb them without risk of burning. Pattern interrupt. What if your morning smoothie leftovers could double your harvest? This method is especially popular in hot USA climates, where plants need extra hydration and nutrient support. Simple, sustainable, and effective. Adding banana peels to your compost pile is another powerful trick. As they break down, they enrich compost with potassium and phosphorus. To balance nutrients, mix peels with nitrogen-rich materials like coffee grounds or grass clippings. This combination speeds up decomposition and creates a nutrient-dense compost that tomatoes and peppers love. Composting banana peels also reduces kitchen waste, making your gardening practice more sustainable. Pattern interrupt. What happens when you mix your morning coffee waste with banana peels? You get a fertilizer powerhouse. By recycling peels into compost, you're not only feeding your plants, but also contributing to healthier soil and a greener planet. For gardeners who prefer simplicity, chopped banana peels can be buried directly into the soil near plant roots. As the peels decompose, they release nutrients slowly over weeks, providing a steady supply of potassium and phosphorus. This method is cost-free, safe, and requires no special preparation. It's particularly effective for container gardening, where nutrient depletion happens quickly. Pattern interrupt. Instead of buying expensive fertilizers, what if you buried your kitchen waste and let nature do the work? Direct soil application is a natural way to keep your plants healthy, strong, and productive without relying on chemicals. Gardeners across the USA report stronger stems, more flowers, and heavier fruit clusters when using banana peels. Tomatoes grow larger, peppers become more vibrant, and plants show improved resilience against stress. This isn't magic. It's simply giving plants the nutrients they crave. Surprising fact, Americans throw away over 3 billion pounds of banana peels every year, most of which could enrich gardens instead of landfills. By reusing peels, you're not only improving your harvest but also reducing waste. Imagine the impact if every gardener turned their kitchen scraps into plant food. Banana peel gardening is more than a trick. It's a step toward sustainability. It reduces landfill waste, cuts down on chemical fertilizer use, and promotes healthier soil. Every peel you recycle is a small act of care for your garden and the planet. Pattern interrupt. What if every gardener in the USA reused their banana peels? Imagine the harvests and the planet's health. So next time you eat a banana, don't throw away the peel. Turn it into the secret weapon for explosive tomato and pepper growth. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and join the Garden Sage community, where simple secrets grow into big harvests. Share this video with a fellow gardener, and let's grow smarter together.